Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, that is paint tools 2. In last chapter we have studied some more paint tools. Okay, now today we are going to see few advanced paint tools. Okay, so let us start quickly. The topics that we will be covering in today's class are, we will see 4 tools, okay, the line tool, curve tool, rectangle tool and rounded rectangle tool, okay, and then we will see the brushes and the colors group in paint. Fine. 4 tools we will see: how to draw a line, how to draw the curved lines, how to draw the rectangle, and how to draw the rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle as in a rectangle whose edges are round, okay, corners are round. Fine. Moving on. Now in last class we have seen that how to start the paint. Okay, when you start the paint, the first window that you are going to get, at the top of the first window, this is the ribbon that you are seeing on your screen. This is the section that you will be seeing, and inside this part at the top we will be studying this shapes tools. Okay, inside this whole sections I have highlighted this section inside subsection inside this main section. Okay, this shapes group we are going to study. Fine, I have highlighted it so you will be able to understand it nicely. Now inside this shapes group we are going to study the 4 tools. Okay, first is line tool, second is curve tool, third is rectangle tool, and fourth is rounded rectangle tool. Okay, I have also marked on this image whichever is the line tool, whichever tool is the curve tool, rectangle tool and rounded rectangle tool. I have marked it on the screen. Fine. So one by one, these 4 tools we are going to study. Now, what is meant by line tool? A line tool is used to draw the straight lines. Okay. With the help of this tool, you can draw a straight line. Now, the curve tool. Now, the curve tool is used to draw the curved lines. Sometimes in the drawing, we need to draw the curved lines. That time we can use this curve tool. Then next is the rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles or squares in the drawing area. Fine. Then next is the rounded rectangle tool. Now the rounded rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles or squares with rounded edges. Okay, I have also uh, put one image against each tool so you can understand by the drawing that how that tool is named. Okay, how that tool is shown, how you can identify that tool from the shapes group. Okay, how the tool is seen inside that shapes group. Fine. I have also added one image against each of the name of tool. Fine, so you can see it on screen how to identify that respective tool from this shapes group. Okay, it is not that difficult, it is easy. Fine. Paint application that I have opened. Okay, at the top of the paint application, this is the ribbon present. Fine, as you can see it on screen, and inside that whole ribbon there is one section of shapes. Okay, fine. Now inside this shape section, first we will see about line tool. Okay, by looking at the icon at the image from the shapes tools, from the shapes you can identify easily which is the line tool. Okay, a line tool is used to draw the straight lines. Fine. So just using your mouse, just click on that lines option, okay, from that shapes group. Fine. When you select that using your left click of the mouse, now bring your mouse cursor on this white area, and by pressing your left click of the mouse continuously, drag the mouse pointer to whichever direction you want so that you are drawing a straight line. Fine. So in this way this line tool is used to draw the straight line inside your drawing area. Fine. Now next is the curve tool. Okay, curve tool. When you click on the curve tool is used to draw the curved lines. Sometimes in the drawing you need that you should draw the curved lines. Okay, you cannot use the straight lines. Fine. So beside this line tool, there is one option of curve. Okay, just click on that curve option from this shapes group. Okay, just left click on that option using your mouse, and after left clicking it, that means your option has been selected, and then bring your mouse cursor to the white area. Okay, and just press your left click continuously and drag your mouse pointer to whichever direction you want. And you can see that you can draw the curved lines using this curve option. Fine. Then next is rectangle tool. Okay, by looking at this icons you can identify which is rectangle tool, which is line tool. It is very easy. Fine. So just click on that rectangle option using your left click on the mouse. When you left click on it, that means your option has been selected. Then bring your mouse pointer or mouse cursor on the drawing area. Fine. And then you press the left click on the mouse continuously and drag your mouse pointer to whichever direction you want. Okay, you can also extend it, you can reduce it depending on your requirements. Fine. And after doing it, just leave your mouse, release your left click, and your rectangle has been drawn. Then next option that we are going to see is rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle as in the rectangle or square whose corners are round. Fine. So beside this rectangle option, there is an option of rounded rectangle. Okay, using your mouse left click on that option so that that option is selected, and then bring your mouse pointer to the drawing area, to this white area, and press your left click of the mouse continuously and drag your mouse pointer to whichever direction you want, and then release your mouse click, release the mouse button, and you can see that your rounded rectangle has been drawn. Only difference is here corners are round. Okay, and here corners are sharp. Fine. So this is the rectangle, normal rectangle, and this is the rounded rectangle. Okay, so these are the 4 tools that we can see. You can also use remaining tools for your drawings according to your requirements. Fine. So this was all about the 4 tools of the shapes group inside this paint application. Okay. Now the next part is the brushes. The brushes are used to draw the freehand drawings using a colored brush. Okay, colored brush as in on the canvas how you use your painting brushes to draw the drawing. Similarly, in this paint application, at the top of the ribbon, inside that ribbon there is one section, there is a group of brushes, there is an option of brushes beside the shapes group. Okay, and there is also a drop down arrow present on that brush. When you click on that, the various forms of brushes will appear, the list will appear, and from that list you can choose whichever brush you want. Fine. So similarly, inside this paint application also, brush can be used to draw the freehand drawings on that drawing area. Okay. Next is the brush option. Okay, inside this ribbon you will find one brushes option beside this shapes group. Okay, brushes as in with the help of this brushes you can draw the drawing freehand as you draw it on the canvas. Okay, Beside this shapes option, to the left of the shapes group, you will find this brushes option inside this whole ribbon. Fine. So when you click on this brushes option, there is also one drop down arrow present on this brushes. Okay, so you can see here one black arrow present on this brushes. When you click on that, a list appears and you can choose whichever brush you want from this options. Okay, from this available options. Suppose I am choosing this first option and my brush is ready to be used. Bring your mouse cursor on this drawing area and press the left click of the mouse continuously, and using this using your mouse pointer, provided that you are pressing your mouse left click continuously, you can drag your mouse pointer to whichever shape you want to make in your drawing. So just like you make the drawing on the canvas, similarly you can use this brushes, or you can use this brush option to draw the drawing on this paint application, in this paint application. Fine. So in this way you can use the brush option to draw the drawings in this white area. Okay, moving on. Now in the paint application there is one more group of colors. Okay, and from that colors group you can choose any of the color you want. In the colors group you will notice two color boxes. Okay, to color the pictures drawn in paint, use the colors from the color palette. Beside that colors group, inside that colors group there is one color palette present. You can choose any of the color you want. Fine. Now the edit color option is the colors group by which you can choose if you want more colors. In that color palette, it happens that whichever color you want, that is not present in that. So you can click on that edit colors option to so that you can get access to more colors. Okay, where you can make a new color from the options available. Okay. On the screen you are seeing the colors section on that paint, inside that paint application. Okay, at the top you can see one ribbon, and inside that ribbon you can see one separate section of colors, separate group of colors. There are two color boxes, color 1 and color 2. Fine. Now we will see it practically. Okay, how to choose the colors option. Fine. So let us start quickly. Next thing in this chapter we are going to see is the colors group. Here simple drawing I have drawn. Okay, now inside this ribbon you can notice one colors group present at the end. Fine. And also in this group there are two color boxes present over here, color 1 and color 2. Color 1 is the foreground color. It will add color inside your drawing, and this color 2 is the background color. It will add color to the background of the drawing. Okay. Now inside this color group you can choose whichever color you want from this color palette. This is the color 1 option. Just click on that color 1 option so that option is selected, and you can choose whichever color you want. Okay, from this color palette present over here, you can see whichever color I am clicking, that color 1 option is changing its color according to that. Fine. So in this way you can choose color, and suppose if the colors are not available in this color palette, there is also one option of edit colors at the end. Okay, click on that edit colors, left click on that edit colors using your mouse, and from this colors there is a huge group of color dialog box will appear on the screen. A dialog box will pop up on the screen, and from this colors you can choose whichever color you want. Okay, and then you have to click on OK option. Fine. You can choose whichever color you want, and then you have to click on OK option. Okay, so that your color will be added in this color palette. Fine. So this was all about the colors group. Okay. Now there are two color boxes present over here, color 1 and color 2. As I have said, color 1 is the foreground color, color 2 is the background color. Okay. So this was all about the colors group. So this here we are done with the 8th chapter, that is Paint Tools 2. I am attaching one worksheet with this video. You have to solve that worksheet and send it on my email. And if you are having desktop on your in your home, then please practice this on your desktop. Fine. And also solve the worksheet carefully and send it on my email. Fine. Thank you.